Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to chat with live agents on Airasia. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Airasia account, which of course I've done right here. And next thing is, how can you create an account on Airasia? Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type airasia.com. Once you do, that's going to take you right into the official website for Airasia. Once again, to the website, follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. And after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Airasia. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to chat with live agents on Airasia. Now, the live agent at Airasia is called Bo. So let's learn how we can chat with Bo on Airasia. Head over to the bottom right corner of your screen here where you have Chat with Bo icon. Now click on Chat with Bo. Now Bo is pretty much an intellectual. Bo knows everything on Airasia, so Bo can help you literally with anything. See, try me by asking questions or select a topic below. Now this is the first thing you see: Airasia flights, airlines, others, Auckland 7C, suspension, all of this. So if you want to chat, head over to Airasia flights and select Airasia flights, and it takes you right next to the next prompt. So could you please tell me which carrier code you're traveling with or which one you have a question about? So here are your options. So go ahead and select the carrier code. Let's say mine would be Airasia Malaysia. Just select any. Now you have popular topics, you have booking changes, you have flight information, you have feedback, you have back to previous menu. So let's say we're selecting popular topics. Now you have these other options: name correction, flight change, refund, economic payment, itinerary, and back to previous menu. So I can click on back to previous menu and it takes me here. So you can choose on booking changes. And what will you find in booking changes? Guest details update, flight change, refund requires add-ons, back to previous menu. So choose any of that, and once you choose any of that, just follow through the step-by-step processes and they'll help you. So back to previous menu. And now we're selecting flight information. So select flight information and you have this. So flight status, itinerary, or back to previous menu. Select any of that if you need help with any. So back to previous menu. So you can click on feedback if you want to give feedback on anything. And once you give feedback, just express your consent, and that's just it. So these are the step-by-step processes that you can take to chat with Bo, which is a live agent for Airasia. Now I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.